Magandang umaga po Pilipinas! You are still watching Agri TV, di ba pa? Welcome po sa Madabout Koy and today po is a very special day. Gles, ano ba nangyayari ngayon?
We're having the 2024 nationwide Wakagoy Koi Show and Collab Grow Out.
So ito na yung culminating activity ng 3 araw naming pagpunta. First off sa Visayas, sa Cebu, and then later on sa Polomonok. Ngayon nandito na po kami sa Manila at ikukwento po namin sa inyo ang aming travails and travel.
A journey to which is because like we started on March, we traveled to Cebu on March 7, the show on March 8, we traveled to Polomonok on March 9, that's Mindanao, and then the next day, Sunday, we're here in Quezon Ponds to do the Luzon leg and the final leg of the 3-day 2024 nationwide Wakagoy Show and Collab Grow.
Ang challenge dito talaga, Gles, ay makarating tayo sa one destination to the next. One of the concept na gusto nating maipasok dito sa ganitong Koi Show ay nakakapag-conduct tayo ng Koi Show. This, to begin with, the concept started way back 2005 pa, na gusto natin magkaroon ng judges moving from one venue to the other since the judging protocol now is umiikot na po yung mga judges sa mga tubs.
Yeah.
Only because ang Koi Show ay minamount na ng British style Koi judging, meaning to say in one vat, sama-sama na sila doon ng iisang may-ari doon sa mga isda na yon.
In short, yung judges, kung kaya nila umikot sa mga vats, pwede rin sila umikot sa mga location.
Sa mga location, and this is very this is a milestone event.
The very first.
Kauna-unahang ginawa po to sa daigdig ng Koi industry at gusto po nating tularan pa to ng maraming Koi show sa buong mundo na ang judges ay pupunta sa isang venue looking for the champions there. The next venue, originally 2 lang, and then nagkaroon tayo ng pangatlo since 3 main islands ang Pilipinas, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. After getting the champions from these 3 points, today, ito na nga, special day, Gles, because Sunday ngayon, makikita na natin yung talagang nationwide winner.
Yes, because like we already got some champions from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and we'll choose the overall grand champion. Only one winner for that.
And in the next episodes po ng Agri TV's Madabout Koy, hihimayin po natin yung mga ginawa natin dito. And hopefully, ito ay maging tularan, pamarisan.
Yeah.
So friends in Koi, pinakita po muna namin sa inyo yung total package. Ito na po yung culminating activity, but sa susunod pong episode,
And we're going to start in the Visayas region, in the
particularly
Queen City of the South, Cebu.
So if you've stayed this long, maraming salamat po. We will let you go. Join us again next week. My name is Mike Hernandez with
Glassy Hernandez of Quezon Ponds Farm, Las Piñas.
dito po yan sa 2024 Nationwide Grow Out Collab Wakagoy Koi Show. Kita-kits. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye.
Bye.